In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use an imported Snowflake PNG image file as a particle mesh. This is how the scene looks like from my first run. The snowflakes that we see on the screen were once a simple 2D image. Let's create a text object and edit the text. Please use any fonts available. Type R, X, and 90 to rotate the text 90 degrees on the X axis. I'll create a plane, scale it, go to Edit Mode, right-click, and type S to subdivide it 50 times like this. Let's randomize the faces, go to Object Mode, and subdivide it by pressing Ctrl 3. Right-click to shade smooth. I have turned off the environment light, so I can add an area light in the scene. Let's create an emitter plane. That looks good, but we need to use a good snowflake image file as the particle mesh instead. If you don't see the menu item, please activate an add-on called Import Image as Plane. We need to select the snowflake image, go to Edit Mode, and rotate it a bit to make it stand up. Type R and Y to rotate the mesh on the Y axis. I'll show you the composite node details next. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.